Starting. All right, hey guys, good morning and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Cram, my partner is Cash and Melzone, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, fam, we are not a buy or sell channel. Let me repeat that. We are not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert to money. All right, so if you're looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now or sell now, you are on the wrong stream. But if you're looking for someone who's going to teach you how to trade these markets, and of course, if you're looking to trade the profitable Forex strategy life, then stick around because that's exactly what we're going to do. All right, I hope you guys are having a great day so far. We've got jobless claims news that happens every Thursday. We've got it releasing in the next 12 minutes. All right, so let's see how that goes. We can expect some moves, not too crazy, but definitely some of the other moves. Okay, so I'm going to quickly share my screen with y'all. Whilst I do that, all right, Zero, Raul, thank you, Zero, thank you, Zero. I appreciate that. All right, listen, go and hit the likes on that, and I'm going to start to share my chart with you guys. All right, be quick. Let's hit the 30 like goal. Because trust me, the moves are about to happen. All right, I'm all shotted up and ready, just waiting. Let's get it done, right? Let's get those likes up. I'm checking it out right now. Let's hit 30 and you guys get my charts, okay? I think that's only fair. Awesome. Come on, guys. Let's bump that up to 30. I'm checking it out right now. 15 likes. Come on, 15 to go. 15 to go. Let's do this. All right, looking at some potential moves coming in now. Done, 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 done. Thank you, guys. I appreciate you all. Give me a second. Okay, I still want you guys to go ahead and do it, but just because my OG fam is already liked it, I'm gonna not make you guys wait anymore, and I'm gonna quickly share my screen with y'all. Okay, so this is what we're looking at right now. Okay, I've done gold and GU for you guys today, so we've got two charts, one a commodity, and we have an FX pair, and of course we have our indices that are right over here. Okay, so lots of bullish momentum coming in on the indices. Um, we're gonna have to see how they want to react. Okay, straight up. All right, we're gonna have to see how they want to react, and then let's see. I'm gonna have some orders set up, you guys. For news, I'll probably tell you a little closer to market open. Let's just see how everything plays out. The ones on the fundeds, don't be setting up orders. You all know how bad that can be. We could bring this down here into our supply. Right, that's a possibility. I'm gonna quickly go to the chat. What's up, you guys? How's it going? How's it going, Bunny? How's it going, Jay? Space, my man, Camper, GGFX, Raul. Good morning, you guys. Mel Zone, good morning, good morning, good morning, brother. Jared, Alex. What's up, guys? I hope you're having a great day so far. Hope to actually get a good W today. Take it easy, man. There's going to be news, okay? Um, as long as you're not over leveraging your account, it's all good. 1%. 1% is good risk management to have. See you Monday, bro. Yeah, Sarah. See you Monday, man. I think you're signed up for the one-on-one on Monday, correct? Looking forward to it. Amazing day. More if we bank a bit. Yes, sir. I couldn't agree. We had an awesome London session. I don't know how many of you guys got that, but it was a pretty quick, fast, and really fun London session to be part of. London gave us some really good momentum today. Okay, I have my eyes on the indices, you guys. All right, but Knowing these markets, I also know that they can be super, super, super choppy, especially before news. Um, so keeping all of that in mind, we could do the exact opposite before we actually trigger any sort of orders. Okay? Is anyone in any sort of trades right now? Anyone in on anything, or are y'all just watching? Just watching right now. Okay. Yeah, don't be in any big positions. Not before you guys actually. Sorry, my bad. Just give me a quick second, you guys. 25 likes and I think close to 40 people on here. 41 people. Come on, you guys. We should have gotten 40 likes on this, no problem. Camp, man, thank you so much for your retweet speed. I know, right? It's really not that difficult, man. It's like super easy for you guys to do, but for some reason y'all just don't, and I guess that's fine. Start bringing the band hammer. Yeah, yeah, it's all in the works. Trust me. Um, Me and Milzon are going to be talking about these things over the weekend, and I'm sure we're going to work something out for you guys. I mean, it's a free service, so you're liking the stream is free too. Okay. GU potentially. What do you guys want to see for news? We've got news in the next 5 minutes. What do you want to be seeing for news? You want to see the indices? Where do we have to like? One of you guys? Zero? They'll just send across a link. Okay, just go ahead. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Yes, yes, they're sending the link in a second. There you go. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and make sure to like the stream, which is currently live. Okay, that's our current stream. Okay, so I think collectively we want to see the indices for market open. Not for market open, my bad. For jobless claims. I'm sorry, you guys. Hey, can you put the AC off and freezing? Yeah. Thank you. Okay, so we've got about 3 minutes to news. What do y'all think is gonna happen, guys? I want to know what y'all are thinking of these current markets. My one-on-ones, you guys. What do y'all think we're looking at? Bullish on nasty, bullish on nasty. Okay. Yeah, they could definitely be bullish. No problem. Y'all know how those liquidity grabs happen. Y'all know how manipulated these can be. I personally, I'm again. This is it could play out now. It could play out later. You guys know how this works. But I'm personally going to be having a little bit of um. I'm gonna have a nice little order that's gonna be sitting in this area. Okay, one on ones, you guys. If you're on the funded, just let it go. Wait for the first candle. Um, but I'm watching this area. Okay. That being said, we could go boop all the way, which is why I've given it room to breathe. I've got a nice little level of support, nice little level of supply right here. So let's see if they want to get a little bit of a pop. Let's see. Of course, if they start to break this zone, then we're coming up to 13K. So that's when you could be entering. Okay. But I personally am not going to be having any buy stops, but I am going to have a nice little sell stop sitting in this region. Okay. And similar on the dirty. All right, similar on the dirty. Okay, dirty possibly making a double top. Yep, I'm seeing a double top here as well. This could be a nice little entry, but because it's news, let's try and be a little safer. Okay. Okay, got about a minute to news. Are you staying for music? Oh fuck you, late. All right, go. Get out of here. Bye. I love you. Sorry, you guys. Just seeing cash off. Okay. News. We're really close. I have my order set and ready to go. All right, guys, 15 seconds. Please don't go too crazy. Just letting y'all know, don't go too crazy. Don't do that to yourselves. Let's have a good one, and this is news. All right, there you go. Red candle. Let's see if they're holding support. If they start to go bullish, then this is going to be a bullish market. Okay, I'm letting you guys know. My order is not triggered. Nothing of that sort. What is Goldie doing? Oh, fuck. Let's not trade gold. Let's stay out of gold. All right, let's not do that on gold. Look at that dirt on gold. Um, Never mind. Let's look at the indices. Okay, there. Nothing on the dirty as yet. Let's watch, you guys. Sometimes it's just good to watch. Okay. All right. Let's see. Come on. I'm gonna move my order just slightly higher. Okay, you guys. Y'all don't have to. Y'all don't have to. If y'all don't feel safe, my position's still not. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Come on. Give us that fucking drop. I'm gonna get in with. I don't want to be enticing, y'all. All right, come on, give us the move. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. All right, we still need some time to breathe. We're not doing it yet. Yeah, don't even look at gold space. Let it go. Yes, bullish news. I was just checking that out right now. Don't even look at gold, man. It's dirt on gold. Don't want to be part of that. Okay, our size looking nice. Give us these cells, man. I'm waiting on these. Just need this guy to trigger, and I needed to trigger nice and smoothly, man. And I'm gonna call it a session. I'm gonna call it a session. I swear, if I get this move, mm-mm, we're gonna do it. Yes, please be careful. Be careful of your spreads. My spreads on Hanko right now are just fine. Okay, my spreads. I'm doing about 2 pips on Nasty and about a pip and a half on the Dirty. Okay, cash is in here right now. I would have asked it for MFF, but please be careful, you guys, especially the ones on the fundeds. This is usually when they fuck with you most. Excuse my language. Okay, so nothing so far. Anyone trading GU? Anyone gotten in any of the impulses? I'm not even on a feeler right now, you guys. Literally zero trades, nothing at all. I'm just thinking if I had done that, I would have probably gotten in and gotten out by now already. But safer entries, safer entries. Okay, that's what's most important. Okay, pretty indecisive. Pretty indecisive. Gold hits TP going both ways. All right, so now what do we have to do? Now all we have to do is wait for the candle to close. All right, we need to see how these markets want to continue to move because they've showed us some bearish momentum, but now we need to see if that's a liquidity grab or if it isn't. Okay, so as of right now, they're trying to respect price action, but are the buyers going to let them respect price action? That's the question. Okay. Okay. Is anyone in on anything right now? Any feelers? Anything of that sort? No dollar a pip, no nothing. Dirty sell fever. Yeah, dirty's starting to look pretty clean, right? Nice little double top. Break of that trend line, and we push to the downside. Guys, if I get this move, it's gonna be massive. Just letting you all know. It's gonna be massive. Oh, look at that bearish momentum on GU and on gold. All right, we should have been looking at these, even though this is very dirty, but it's a pretty clean shot. Okay, look at this. The dirty is trying new candle open. It's gonna go up. It's gonna retest our demand. Okay. I wanted to go up here and I wanted to retest this. Okay, so if it retests this, I'm gonna get in on a little bit. Fuck it, I'm in on this. All right, not a very big position, a tiny position. I'm testing it out, just in, and let's see if I get triggered. All right, I'm gonna have my stop loss for this all the way up here, above our supply. Let's take a look at the EMAs. All right, we've got the EMA sitting right at our supply. Okay, so a test of the supply is definitely possible. There you go. Come on, give it to us. Ugh, they're making us wait today, huh? Come on. Give us that volume, Nasty. Boom. Give us the volume. Come on, Nasty. Let's fucking do it. Guys, if I get this, I'm telling y'all, man. I'm literally going to quit trading for the month. I'm going to take the next 3 days off. Well, we have just one more day, but you get what I mean, all right? Let's get triggered. Let's get triggered. Let's get triggered. Come on. Space, congratulations, brother. Oh, fuck me. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. Okay. I just got triggered, but my fucking MetaTrader just froze on me, you guys. 1 second, 1 second. I think I got triggered. My MetaTrader is frozen. Okay, I'm in on this trade. I'm in on this trade, all right? I'm in on this trade, and I'm I'm running by a couple of pips right now. Should I change this to break even? Should I not? I don't know. It's too close, but I'm keeping a really, really, really close eye on this. Come on, man. Don't reverse on me, MetaTrader. You're fucking with me today, okay? All right, so what happened was I didn't realize it because my MetaTrader was frozen and I actually got triggered in and around this area. I got triggered in before my order and I didn't realize it because my MetaTrader wasn't moving. So I'm running in these many pips right now. And that's a fat position, okay? So I'm changing this to break even. I'm not taking no risks, you guys. Fuck it. Even though I know this market's gonna drop, yes, it's a really fat position. There you go. Boom. Bro, it's fat enough that I'm already running 13 grand. Let's get this 13,000. All right, I just pulled out 12 grand from this position and I have another position running for 3,000 right now. All right, that's it. That's it. That was I told you guys I was eyeing that really, really closely. Super MetaTrader did me dirty. All right, and now this could reverse still there, and I would have had to get out, but I wasn't taking an L, not on that position. But 12 grand on that for me. Okay, I like that, and I still have a position that's running by about 1,500. I'm gonna change this to break even really quick. 12927.1. 12927.1. Boom. That's it. Okay, now if this gets stopped out at break even, I don't give a shit. I just made 12 grand on I got stopped out at break even, by the way. And I just made, let me tell you guys how much I made. I made 10,420. My account's up by 10 grand on this. 10,420. I've done it, guys. I did what I did. I understand that this wasn't a trade that beautifully played out. No, because it's still yet to play out. But I wanted to get out of these markets, right? So I'm still going to be on the live stream, but I needed to book my profits, and I did exactly that. I was waiting for this move to happen, all right? Oh, you guys are done for the day, really? Good Lord, listen. Millzone, Cash, if you're on the call, this is crazy, all right? Because our traders now are making their money before we even come into our buy and sell boxes. Like, you guys are trading like me. This is insane. Congratulations to you guys. Beautiful, beautiful. Congratulations. Lovely. I made 12 grand. I'm so happy. If it were up to me, I would have taken tomorrow off, but I'm not going to do it. I'm going to stay on for you guys. I'm going to come for you guys. Guys, also, listen, there's some news, man. Cash is flying to Dubai. All right, she's going to Dubai for work. She leaves Sunday. We're not going to be doing London for a week. All right, she comes back the following weekend. Hopefully, that's if she sorts everything out in Dubai. But yeah, she's coming back. She's coming back next Sunday. I'll see you guys if I have the time. Maybe I personally will hop on for a couple of London streams for you guys. But it's anyway going to be a pretty busy week next week, so we'll check it out. Okay, we'll see it. But we're not going to be having too many Londons going on for next week. Okay, man. Look at freaking Goldie. Goldie is the one that gave us a clean move today. Right? Is anyone trading gold? Gold's beautiful. You would have got retest confirmation multiple times. So that was the impulsive break, retest, break of structure, continuation, retest, and now they're trying to break structure again. Okay, you're in on gold. Good. I got the first break retest. That's all you need, man. That's all you need. Yeah, Camper. I know, right? Even if we should have been looking at gold, but I'm still bullish on this bearish move. Bullish on this bearish move. Wow. We should make that our slogan. But I'm still bullish on this move. One-on-ones, what are you guys seeing? What are you guys seeing? I want to know what you're seeing potentially happen in these. Good job, Space. Good job. There you go. There you go. My guys, that's it. I love it. I love it. All right, you guys are seeing it. So I've been spotting this all the way since we were literally over here, and which is why I had my eyes set on the sells, because let's break this down, okay? Right, but that's not it, because you know what's our bigger break of structure? That. Right, so this is where I'm gonna have an order sitting and ready. And I'd also like for y'all to note Now this is the psychological approximately 12,900 area. Okay, pretty much like we're looking at about this area. It's round about there, but safer entries because we've got demand. But this is what I'm actually looking at. Okay, so for post this session, even if you guys are not going to be getting in on these shots, have some orders. All right, have some orders set at 900, and could be a really nice move for you. Now I'm expecting price to go and test our supply. All right, Goldie's picking up. Shelby, I'm gonna read your message right now, okay, buddy, so that I can answer you on the call. All right, you could have closed captioning on or space, my man, if you're here. If you don't mind translating it for me, I would really appreciate that. How did this happen? You put two green blocks in, I opened two pennants, one for short and one for long. But when the news came out, it did this to me. How's that possible? Brother Shelby, you don't want to be putting orders for both buys and sells, okay? You got triggered both ways. You got triggered both ways because you basically caught news. That's what happened. All right. So if you're going to be putting space, if you could just cram that up in like 2 or 3 lines for me, I would really appreciate that. And just put it on the chat. He's on the call. All right. So that's all I'm saying. You can't be doing both buys and sells. It's not going to work out that way. All right. You wanna, because of the liquidity when news comes out, because of the volume that there is in these markets when news comes out, there's a good chance you get triggered going both ways. Always have a biased and only set your order for that biased. Yes, yes, I know, Shelby. I've got you covered for that. Space is typing it out for you. Okay, let's hope US 30 is not starting to make a double bottom. It still does look, setting up both ways is kind of like martingale. No, bro. No, bro. Trust me, no. Martingale's money management. This is just pure hedging if you're going to be getting in both ways. I wouldn't even call it hedging. I'd call it gambling. I personally set orders, yes, but I only set orders with my bias. I never set orders that goes against my bias. So that if price does what I think it's going to do, then yes, I get triggered. But if price does the opposite thing, I'm waiting for price to come to me because the way we trade through price action, it's thank you so much. Thank you so much, Space. I really appreciate you, brother. The way, yes, so the way we do it, it's basically just we trade structure, right? We trade break of structure and we use confluences to find that to add up and build our bias towards those break of structure areas. And yeah, martingales, it's all risk management, man. It's doubling your risk, and I personally don't believe in that. I believe in a healthy, I mean, there are traders that do it successfully, of course, but it's subjective. It's not something that I enjoy doing. I know I do have some traders on the one-on-ones who enjoy doing that sort of risk management, but I still feel it's a little bit risky, especially for the ones on the fundeds, okay? Because it gets really easy to emotionally trade these markets. You don't want to lose 0.5% and then go up to 1 and then 2 and 4 and 8. It's going to be hard doing that. Thank you, Space. Looking forward to our session in the morning, my man. Okay, give me a quick second, you guys. Yes, yes, confirmed. The same time you sent me, brother. Same time you sent me. All right, let's look at. I'm liking gold right now. Gold looks good to me. Okay. Guys, I don't mind this. Okay. No, I don't think it's a retest. I think it's a retracement B2. All right, let's mark this up. It's maybe a little bit of a retracement, all right? Okay, let's look at something like this for gold. GU gave us a nice move as well. Was anyone trading GU? Anyone traded the FX pairs? Okay, good retest of our supply. We want to hold there, or we're going to go right back up to make a double top, okay? Right, and gold, what are we looking at for gold? We want to go that, that, and that, right? That's what we're looking for on gold. Let's look at nasty. All right, if nasty wants to go up for the buys, we could be looking at that region. That's if it wants to go up, because like I said, we could be going back up to make a nice double top over there, okay? All right, that's the impulse. All right, so we've got gold that's currently doing an impulse. Nasdaq is attempting, and the dirty is being the dirty. All right, so maybe that double top is actually possibly a double bottom, okay? Let's watch out, wait for that break. I'm not going to be trading anymore, you guys. I've made my freaking pips for the day. I in fact I leveraged the right way today, and I made less than my pip target, which is why I made the money that I made. Impulsive nasty. I like the support that gold's picking up, you guys. It's looking good. Let's see how these next 16 seconds close for Goldie, and maybe we can get some sort of retest rejections from here. Okay, so let's see. All right, nasty close just at our box. All right, let's see if we hold from there and start to push back up on gold. Let's see. Got a hold right there, right by that wick. Okay, Nasty's successfully holding this area as demand. Looks good. All right, if the buyers want to come in, we break that high, boom, we're possibly pushing up to test out that high, okay? You see how these markets, guys, they go from bearish to bullish to bullish to bearish to yada yada yada, okay? But we don't care, because all we're doing at the end of the day is we're reading price action. All we're doing at the end of the day is we're getting in and getting out of these markets, collecting our pips and moving, whilst the retail traders are trapped, okay? But look at nasty pushing through. If you got in on nasty, you should be up by about 4 5 10 pips now, 8 9 pips. I'm not in on this, but if you guys are up, you all should be. If you're using the 10 pip rule, 5 pips break even, okay? And if you're using a 20 pip rule, 10 pips break even. All right, keep that in mind, and try to trade these setups the right way. Try to trade these setups based off of the strategy, okay? So even if your entry was 36, sorry, even if your entry was 33, 35, you should be up. You should have been up by about 5, 6 pips. I know most of y'all are using the 10 pip rule, so there you go. All right, y'all in profits right now. Take out your break-even trades. Okay. I like that hold on Goldie. Okay, boom. Is anyone trading Nasdaq? Anyone in on Nasdaq right now, you guys? Solid move on Nasdaq. Anyone in? Jay, awesome. Congratulations, man. Nasty Corolla. Okay, what's Goldie doing? All right, gold's coming down to retest. Thank you, Cram. It's a demo account. It's all good, buddy. Listen, everyone starts with a demo account here, okay? I mean it. Everyone starts with a demo account, and it's all good. As long as you've picked up some value, man. It doesn't matter if you're paper trading, if you're trading a $10 account, a $100 account, or a freaking 100K account, like a lot of people on these streams. Okay, it doesn't matter. As long as you're doing it and you're getting some value out of it, that's target achieved for us. Okay, boom, beautiful on Nasdaq. Also, for the one-on-ones, I know that again we do have a query running right now as we speak. Cash told me that it's almost booked. Is this Meta 4 or Meta 5? This is Trading View, buddy. You could use whichever one you'd like to, depending on the one that you've signed up with for your broker. So Cash told me that we have one that's running, and the guy was like, she told me that she thought that, well, he's going to make the booking, all right? But apart from that, we do have one more spot that's open. All right, so if you guys want to get booked up, if you all want to be personally mentored by me, come, just come ahead, message us, okay? Message us, and we'll get you guys hooked up. Be the 130th person to join the one-on-one mentorship program with Forex trading with CramFX, okay? Because ask anyone on the streams over here. I'm pretty sure I have a lot of my one-on-ones here. We go in depth with the market movements. We go in depth with the Forex strategy, which is our profitable strategy devised by my wife and I. Um, I'm a pretty cool guy to chill with. Okay, that's what I've been told. So I have a way of being able to teach you guys these markets and the right way. And the truth is, we like to strip everything down to its basics. Okay, we don't stress too much in these markets. We don't use fancy indicators. We don't do all of that stuff. All we do is we mark up support and resistance. We mark up supply and demand, and we trade price action. Okay, we trade break of structure. So if you want to learn how we analyze and how we read these markets, go ahead and join me. And also with our strategy, with price action, it doesn't just apply to Forex, right? You could apply this on crypto. You could apply this on stocks. You could apply this on Forex. You could apply this on the commodity. You could apply it on anything that has candles and a chart. All right. So if you guys want to take your trading to the next level, and I'm not going to be doing this for too long, probably just a month and a half or so, and our new intakes are completely going to stop. But I'm sure we'll still have the one-on-ones, but they just won't be conducted by me. We'll probably hire someone who's going to take care of those for you. Okay. So now's your chance. If you want to learn from one of the founders of Forex Trading himself, then go ahead and get signed up. All right, message Cash FX or me, Cram FX on Project Whitelist, and we'll send you guys the information that you're going to need to get signed up. Also, I just want to point out before you guys get all surprised when you'll message, there is a 6-week wait time. All right, currently, if you book right now, look at that, guys. GU is falling. Okay, if you book right now, the next slot that you're going to get is for I think June 9th. That's on the regular package. But we do have an express package, which I think is booked out. If I'm not wrong, the one person that's waiting is on the express because I can only do so many sessions over the weekend. But yeah, basically you skip the wait time and you get started right from the next weekend, which would be from the day after in this case. Okay, so let us know if you guys want to get hooked up with that, and we're here to get that done for you. All right, so still holding. Okay, this is the time when the markets start to get choppy. All right, we can feel it right now. We can sense it right now. We had some volume kick in for news, but I'm not going to stay for market open today, you guys. I've done what I had to. However, I am going to stay for the early swap, which is going to happen in the next 3 minutes. Okay, so maybe we get this pop. All right. If y'all want to take it again, this is for my risky scalpers. This is for my more advanced traders, the ones that trade these markets like I do. All right. If you're willing to get in on these quick scalps, you have them right here. All right, I've got you guys. Y'all know it. That's a nice little scalp. This is a nice little scalp. Okay, use the right risk management. Get in, get out, take your pips and get out. Okay, I'm not looking to do anything more than that. I am gonna wait for maybe this to happen if it wants to happen in the next 2 minutes, but clearly this isn't ready. West combo is an untrained risky scalp. That's how you're gonna learn though, bro. It's all good, okay? As long as you're not blowing up accounts and you're just on a demo account, it's all good, man. You've got to learn, all right? You've got to fall in order to get up in these markets. Trust me. Ask a lot of the one-on-ones here, bro. You have to you have to experience the grind in order to reap the benefits of these markets. Okay, but it's not impossible. It's not impossible, all right? I've done it. I know a ton of people on the one-on-ones who have already done it. We had some people I still have nightmares. I can only imagine. We've had some people that started off as absolute beginners. I kid you not, absolute beginners. Just for the sake of privacy, I'm not going to share their names without their consent. But I have people that knew nothing about the charts till 3 months back, and they're successfully trading accounts. It doesn't matter if it's $100 account. It doesn't matter if it's a 100K account. As long as you're successfully trading an account, that's a massive ass achievement. We've got quite a few 300K funded traders right now, bro. Quite a few of them. Quite a few of them. A lot of them are on this call, sitting silently, doing their thing, making their money. Trust me, a lot of them are on this call. I love it. I'm so happy for them, and it's doable. Okay, it's very very doable. The silent mafia. Yep, they're the ones that make the most, man. Absolutely, man. Space is one of those guys, by the way, right here. Okay, the guy, he's been amazing. He's been into this for about I think 5 6 months now, and he's doing really well for himself. All right, ask him. He'll tell you guys himself. He's exactly. He's been nailing it. He really has, and he's one of my best. Um, um, uh, I wouldn't say students because I don't treat you guys as students at all, but he's one of my best intakes. I think that's the right word on the session, and he's a very very cool guy. We jam. Too sweet crime, not part of the silent mafia. Yeah, man. Of course, he's always here to help. He's always here to help. Okay, let's see if Goldie maybe wants to make a little bit of a move now coming in. All right, so we have about 7 8 seconds, 5 seconds. Let's see. All right, let's see. Is anyone in on Nasty right now? Anyone in on these trades? Wouldn't be here. That's so sweet, brother. Thank you so much. The Queen of Pips is gonna get her nails done. She's like, I'm not trading. Yeah, she's not here. Oh, you are? Seriously? Are you? How are you? You're listening? How are you trading whilst? Did she ever get trading inspired? Don't, man. She'll probably get them right now. Don't even tell her. Don't do that. She'll probably take you seriously, space. How are you even typing if you're at the nail salon, babe? Like, how? I don't get it. Neckline on gold, that break, buddy. There. It's looking good, right? That break, and could be doing our thing, okay? The only thing that concerns me just a little bit, yo, that sounds good. I mean, if you're into that kind of thing, knock yourself out, brother. I love it. I love it. Make sure to have Forex written on one of them, huh? Like 4X. Hmm. Okay, let's see. So like I was saying, the only thing that concerns me about this a little bit is that, right? But if we have enough momentum, we could go boom, break right past that, and get a nice little push to the upside. Okay, possibly in 1992. I like how that's looking right now. I'm testing this out, you guys. I'm getting in with a small one. Okay, I'm testing it out. Nothing too big, so I'm not stressing. I'm not trying to change it to break even instantly. I'm chilling. All right. I'm chilling and I'm running by about 1200. Okay, 1500, 1100, 700, 400, negative 200. All right. It's a small little position for me. It's all good. I'm gonna hold on to this and let's see how they want to make this. Okay. That was my entry right about there. I'm gonna have my stop loss somewhere here. This is where I'm gonna have my stop loss. Chilling, watching. All right. So if you guys have the right risk management, then y'all are gonna realize that you're not gonna be stressing out in these markets when these moves take time, because all moves don't happen instantly. All right. The moves usually take time to play out. There has to be enough volume. There has to be enough liquidity in these markets for moves to actually play out. Okay. So as long as you have the right risk management and you know where you need to keep your stop loss, then every dollar that you make or every dollar that you lose is going to be accounted for. It's really that simple, okay? A lot of when it comes to the money management, cut timestamp, right? When it comes to fuck it, my battery just died. All right, cancel the timestamp cut. But when it comes to, I'm still gonna give it to you guys, and I will repeat this in front of the camera tomorrow. But when it comes to the funded accounts, straight up, the only thing that you need is money management, risk management, because you could have the best analysis and the shittiest risk management and you wouldn't make any money in these markets, all right? Or you could have the shittiest analysis and the best money management and you would still come out profitable in these markets, right? So it's you have to have money and risk management. It's everything in these markets, all right? And even on the one-on-ones, I'm sure Space will vouch for this, but on the one-on-ones, me and Space by this point have gone pretty in depth. He's booked 10 sessions with me, by the way, so we've gone pretty in depth with risk management already. And the kind of stuff that we talk about, if a beginner listened to it, it would go completely over their head and they'd be like, what the fuck is this guy talking about? Like literally straight up, right? So it's money management is a very, very advanced thing. It's something that traders don't talk about too much, when the truth is it's all that you need to make money in the markets: risk management and money management. Okay, because as technical traders, we need to realize that all trades are different. Every trade is different from the previous trade, which is also going to be different from the next trade that you take. Okay, how are you going to adapt? That's the game. You need to see the trades, you need to adapt to it, and you need to make your pips through these shitty markets. Because the truth is, we're really, 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 really tiny fish in a massive ocean, okay? And all we have to do is just navigate our way through that without getting eaten by those sharks. And one day, eventually, we'll become the sharks because we're the army of millionaires, okay? Damn it, what a monologue, man. My fucking camera had to die at the wrong time. Ugh. I'm looking forward to going in depth too. Absolutely, brother. We've gone pretty in depth, JJ, but I made you touch upon it. Now we just need to keep pushing, and trust me, we're on the right track with it, okay? It's the simplest concept, but the toughest to implement. 100%, brother. 100%. This move's gonna happen, all right? It may not happen now, but trust me when I say this, man. This move's gonna happen. All right, and I'm gonna set some nice orders over here. I'm still in on that trade, by the way. All right, like I said, I'm gonna have my stop loss all the way here. I'm still in on that buy trade. Oh, there you go, dirty traders, finally. All right, I see that possibly coming to play out. Let's see if they break past demand, okay? Because this is important. They did it once, they did it twice, they did it thrice. The fourth time, now we have to see if the fifth time we're actually gonna break, or if we're going to pick back up. Okay. Did anyone at all trade GU today? I'm waiting for my crypto to settle in my account so I can wait for my one-on-one. I'm so excited to learn with you. Cheers, buddy. Ali. Are you the one that's booking it with cash today? I think that's you then. Awesome. Awesome, buddy. Don't worry about it, man. As long as you're confirmed, we're holding on to the spot for you. It's all good, okay? Don't stress about it. It's just, guys, we've got such limited slots with these, and There's such a waiting time, so I just we need to close these bookings is all that it is. Okay, I want to take a quick look at the DXY. Just want to see what they're up to. Some people call the DXY the Dixie. I hate it. I hate it so much. It makes me cringe when people call it the Dixie. Like, just call it the dollar, man. Call it the DXY. Mm-hmm. Makes sense. Solid inverse with Goldie and with GU. Looking nice. Okay. Some supply, some demand that we're coming into right here on the 5 minutes. Right there. Okay. Some buyers that are sitting there. Some sellers that are sitting up there. Perfect. And prick down. Boom. There. Lovely. I like it. Okay. We happen to maybe do something like this over here. If we're able to do something like this over here, I see this move starting to play out, possibly up to our 4-8 support. Okay. I'll DM Cash soon for a one-on-one. Absolutely, buddy. Whenever you'd like to, man. You've been around, so don't worry about it. Okay. Whenever you're ready, let her know. Okay, we're getting pretty choppy right now, you guys. You're getting pretty choppy. Should we even stay till market open? I'm gonna be honest with you. I haven't. I'm just in on one tiny little trade now, and if it plays out, it plays out. I don't care because I'm up. I'm up by crazy this today. Okay, so I'm not really stressing. I'm all good. Do you guys want me to stay for market open, or are we good to call it a session, you guys? I don't. We're definitely gonna get a move on market open, but if you've made your pips, you made your pips, man. You don't want to be. You don't want to be. For me, it's good to free crap. Wouldn't mind you staying. All right, cool, cool. I can do that. No worries. 20 minutes. I can do 20 minutes. It's all good. Okay. All right. I'm gonna be here. All right. What plans do we have for the weekends? One more day. One more day, and then we're getting into the weekend, guys. The weekends have been like so freaking hard on me for the past like 2 months now because of the one I want pool party on Saturday. Sounds good, man. Sounds good. Pool party. This week felt short. Oh yeah, tell me about it. This week it did, and cash is flying, so a lot of work to get done. I've got like I've got four one-on-ones lined up for Saturday, two lined up for Sunday. The wife's traveling. Yeah, it's gonna be a pretty hectic weekend. I want to watch BKFC this weekend as well. It's gonna be a good one, I reckon. Um, so yeah, I'm chilling, living life. What plans do you guys have? We have someone doing a pool party. We have no work on Monday, so lovely long weekend. Sounds good, man. Sounds good. I wish I could say the same. I really wish I could say the same. What's What's crypto up to? I haven't looked at crypto in quite some time. Let's take a look at. All right, DXY is pushing up. Are you guys seeing this? I hope y'all are one-on-ones. Okay, I hope y'all are seeing this. This is the perfect example of the inverse relation of gold and the dollar. Look at that. Like it's literally textbook right now. All right, maybe a potential double bottom. We had some barcoding coming in. Have nice demand that's already built up over here. 4 attempts, and every time we try to push down, boom, the buyers stepped in. We need to see how the buyers down here are going to react now. And similarly, the DXY is testing out a supply that we marked out. Okay, so let's see if we want to get rejected from the supply and if we want to get rejected from the demand. All right, I hope you guys are understanding the relation and how we could sort of make sense of both of them going hand in hand. I understand it's a little more advanced, but we've got some smart dudes on here. Okay, I know a lot of you guys are getting it. Okay, I never thought I'd be interested in charts and candlesticks. Me neither, bro. Trust me. Trust me, bro. Me neither. Um, but everything happens for a reason, bro. Everything happens for a reason. DXY correlation is just one of my favorite tools to be even more bullish. Agreed, agreed, agreed. Especially if it's news, if it's GU or gold, the DXY could give us some serious hints, bro. They're super addictive. That's the sign of a trader, man. You need to you need to you need to get you need to get over the addiction and reach the point where you're like, I need to sit on this market for an hour a day. Guys, I'm not going to be trading this, but there's an impulse that's coming in on the Dow. Okay, just letting y'all know. I personally am not going to be trading this. I'm legit done for the day. I'm sticking around for you guys. All right, give me a quick second, you guys. I'm gonna be back. I just need to get myself a lighter. Okay, I'm back. Let's see now if Dow finally breaks through. I think this is gonna be more of a market open move, bro. I think that's what this is gonna be. It seems like it because it seems like they have to go back up and test this zone, test that zone. They have to test that out again, so we could have a little bit of chop here, maybe for the next 15 minutes, or they could break it right now. One of the two. Nonetheless, you have that marked out as a nice little level of structure for the day. Okay. Who was on London today? Who's on London? Did you guys manage to catch some moves on London? We had a lovely freaking move on DAX. I don't know if the chart is still open. It might be. Look at that. This was DAX, okay? Caught the sell and then the buy. Beautiful moves on DAX for London, charted by the lovely cash effects. 88 on the buy and a quick 54 on the sell. And trust me, the guys that are trading London, they know that this is some crazy volume for London. This isn't normal volume for London. I was awesome move on DAX. Yep. On dirties, it's safe to say I see a bearish triple top on the dirty. It still looks like a double top to me, bro. It still looks. So this is what we said could have happened. My overall sentiment is still bearish. I told you guys the real move that I'm looking for. Watch the dirty, okay? Oh wait, you said the dirty. I'm sorry. I was looking at nasty. Sorry, brother. No, no, no. On the dirty, yeah, triple top. You could say that. Um, it's in a nice descending trend line. So yes, more of a nice double top there. You want to close a retest and a rejection, okay? And also building into an apex. So yeah, but that's a pretty solid move. Okay, let's see how this candle closes in the next minute and a half, and let's see if we want to get any sort of retest rejection on the setup. Okay. Okay. Look at that. Dirty starting to push. Do we have any trend lines? Yes, we do. All right, so we have a trend line, possible breed rejection coming in over here. All right, let's see that. If we had it put on a trend line over here, we'd be looking at something like that. That, okay? So let's see how they breathe at that trend line. So we've clearly marked out some demand over here, just like we marked out. You see where they wicked? Right at the demand that we marked out. Okay, so now let's see if they want to push through. Is anyone trading the dirty? Anyone in on this? Because if you guys are, y'all are running, man. If you guys are in on this right now, you're making some money. Okay, good 20 pips. Was waiting for candle close. It's fine. Still wait for the candle close. 28 seconds. Oh, boom. Look at that. I'm not trading this, but come on, you guys. Who is banking on that? Damn it, they're dropping. All right, so they broke right past that. They broke right past that demand, and now they are pushing. All right, come on, guys. Make this, get it, and let's walk out of these markets all happy men. Okay, I'm getting enticed to trade this, but I'm not going to because I respect my risk management for the day, and I'm up by a lot more than I thought I would be. So I'm not gonna FOMO into anything. But listen, if you guys have made your money already, don't be FOMOing into it. But if you haven't, then yes, this is a solid trade. Got 500 on dirty. Cheers, my brother. Cheers, 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 man. So happy to hear that. W, let's go, baby. Wow, yep, running. 25 pip W on dirty. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Dirty move could still push down. TP2 is where our box is. This was TP1, as y'all can see. Right? TP2 is all the way at our 4H support. Expect to retest to somewhere there. All right, a possible retest to somewhere there, and of course, if they want to go above that, then they're going to be testing out our demand. 2.4 on demo. Congratulations, my brother. That's beautiful. My spread was kind of fucked, so I worried it was still a nice W. 409 on dirty. That's good, man. That's 409 we didn't have before the session. Okay. Okay. That's the retest like we spoke about. All right, sorry guys, that was my little vanity break that I did. I am back. Excuse me, just in time for market open. Camera back on YouTube. Awesome. How many likes do we finally get on YouTube? Milzon, have you checked it out? I'm gonna check it out right now. 30? We could have. Excuse me. We could have easily hit 40 today, man. We've got like 40 plus people on here. At one point, we had like 47, 48. Bro, I love seeing your Primal 420 on YouTube, man. I love seeing that. Makes me want to get off the stream. But it's all good. Can't wait. Okay, still a retest on the Dow. Okay, so 400 around 410 is what's acting as supply. Break of 394, possible push down to the 50 region. Okay, could be a nice 40 pip drop if it does happen. Do we have many oil traders here, or not too many people trading oil? I used to trade a lot of oil. I love trading it. It moves similar to gold, but it's just a little more tamed. I'd say a little more tamed than gold. So it's nicer to trade, nicer to scalp, but it's a lot of fun. I love oil. I do. I think you're the only one. Might have to check it out. Check it out, man. Oil's lovely. I love gold. You're saying this now. You may not say this next month, okay? Gold really changes literally um, every couple of months. Gold is trading in phases, always, always. It's crazy. It's almost like Bitcoin. Sometimes you're proud of holding Bitcoin, and other times you're like just as disappointed as you can be. Yeah, it's just like that. Now I'm starting to feel. Trust me, bro. Space. It changes like the seasons, man. Every quarter, you're gonna see gold do a different thing, and I'm telling you this by seeing a lot of quarters in these markets in the past 7 years. Okay, and gold keeps changing, man. Gold keeps changing. It likes respecting volume sometimes, and all of a sudden it'll flip on you. It won't respect volume because as analysts, we're doing the same thing, right? As analysts, we're spotting the same areas, we're spotting structure, we're doing what we normally do. But gold has a brain of its own, man. So what do you say? Long-term gold is improper. Well, gold is one of those things that you literally put $1 in today, you're gonna have a guaranteed profit in the next 10 years. I promise you that. Gold is listen. People have been trading gold before us. They're going to be trading gold after us. Gold existed before any sort of fiat existed, and best believe it's always going to exist. Okay, so gold's something that's not going to die out, and it's just one of those. It's one of those commodities, man. It's just going to get richer in value with time. And the reason for that is there's just so many people that are trading it, and it's an extremely traditional um, um, commodity to trade. And there are of course different forms of trading it, but it's gold is something that almost everyone either owns or at least aspires to own. It could be physical gold or it could be um, digital gold. Trade doesn't matter. But yes, all in all, always bullish on gold. Literally, put in $1 today. Remember it after 10 years. Check it out. You would have made some money. I have an idea for Forex trading, doing brand marketing. Basically, I'll give cash to check it out. You can decide if it sounds good. Cool. Definitely share it with us. And If it sounds good, I'll put you in a group chat with our other founders. Okay. Okay, we've got about 3 more minutes to market open. You guys successfully kept me here till market open, and let's see what they want to do. Okay, let's take a look at everything. The break of this high is gonna take nasty up like that, and maybe the reversals are gonna come in on the dirty from here. Okay. Well, that's cool. I don't know we could do that. I can literally pin your YouTube comments on the stream. Still figuring out how this whole live streaming thing works, you guys. Okay. Nasty is trying to break, and the dirty is attempting come into our zone. Okay. 12 seconds to market open. Please be careful, you guys. The buys are looking good, but let's not look at that. Let's look at this. All right, this is market open, you guys. Okay. They're holding. Retest. Now, if this starts to go, guys, we're gonna get volume. All right, Lee's still there. Let's see. Let's see. Needs to break that. Okay, no volume as yet. Damn, look at freaking Goldie. Okay, nothing so far. No break of previous structure. Maybe they have to go and grab some last minute liquidity before the move happens for market open, but so far it's pretty choppy. Okay, choppy market open. Oof. The German's coming to a nice sexy zone. I like that. Yeah, looking good. Gold retracement. Gold buys didn't kick in. Okay, they're dropping. All right, so the bearish momentum is kicking in. Let's see how we hold at demand. Guys, if this breaks demand, then yes, it's the same move. And I'm already in, I already have an order in on this. Okay, so I'm not expecting this to happen right now. I'm expecting price to go slightly higher, make some higher highs, and then we're really going to start to fall. Okay, and this 900 area, it looks so freaking good to me, you guys. It'll probably happen when I'm sleeping. I'll have a nice TP set, and I'll wake up to some nice profits tomorrow. All right, GU. That's your break on GU. Okay, right there. Nice double bottom, neckline, breakout, continuation, back to the origin point of this bullish move up there. What a choppy market open, man. I'm so glad I came on for news today. We caught our moves. I was literally done trading in the first 15 minutes of this session. Lovely. Lovely. Guys, some of y'all have sent me friend requests on Discord as I can see it. Please message Cash for the one-on-ones. I would really appreciate that. Taurus Chris. And I have a couple of more friend requests here. But you guys, if you're adding us for the one-on-ones, please DM Cash, okay? Please DM Cash, and she'll take care of it. All right, Nasty is selling off, man. Nasty is selling off. Let's see how we hold there. If they don't hold here, the move to the downside is on its way. This is the one I'm really looking forward to, man. That zone. That break, the break of that wick. Ugh, that's going to be the sweet spot. I love how that wick. Look at this, all right? Psychological numbers. Listen, this is for my experienced traders, okay? The ones that have either completed the course or that are more than halfway there. Psychological numbers, right? What are the chances that this wick, look at where that's at, right? 900, literally 900. You're going to see a point difference, a couple of pipettes different. The only reason of that is because we're all using different shots, and it doesn't matter. But this is rounded up to the psychological 12, 900. This is why this is such a beautiful spot for me, because we know that there are buyers that were sitting here at one point. The second we touch 12, 900, boom, we wick back up. Second attempt, maybe that happens once more, but the third, fourth, on one of these attempts, we're going to get triggered, and this thing is going to start to drop. Okay, so that's the real zone we're looking at. And yeah, the break of the structure. I have my order set for this because I don't want to get caught in any fake outs, and I'm willing to risk about 12, 13 pips. So I have a safe entry on this based off of my orders. Okay, I'm starting to see gold create a bullish trend reversal pattern. My one-on-ones. Do you all want to maybe enlighten the rest of the group? There you go. Right before I completed it. Good stuff, Space. All right, man, it's been 5 minutes. There's nothing happening, all right? But now they've picked up support. Guys, I'm going to stay on for another 2 or 3 minutes, and I'm going to call it, okay? I do have a one-on-one session after this as well, and let's just see if this move wants to happen, okay? But you guys already have zones. We don't even need to look at the dirty. If you guys are still going to be trading post this session, Nasty is where it's at, okay? That zone that we just spoke about, the setup that we just spoke about on Nasty, that's what we're looking for. DXY is doing a regular HS, of course. Yeah, man. It's completely today. It's got that beautiful, beautiful relationship going on with gold. Inverse relationship. It's lovely. Not every day is like this. Okay, don't think that way. Don't think every day you're gonna see this inverse. Like, it's not like if you see the dollar go bullish, gold's gonna go bearish. That's not the case, but it does happen sometimes, and it's nice to capitalize when that does happen. Shop market open. Okay, there you go. There you go. They've picked up buyers finally on Nasty. You've got a good range coming in and Nasty, okay? Because if your entry is going to be at 60, you could look to test 13K, no problem, okay? But that's when and if they break out of that. Look at Dow approaching our buy zone. Okay, guys, I want to see W's, all right? I stayed on for this. The second this move happens, I better start seeing W's. Start compounding pips from London and NY for days like today. Agreed. That's how it should be. Y'all should be hitting your maybe 25 to 30% of your daily pip target on London. That's what you all should be doing because the moves are smaller, and London is just it's you've got to be a lot more patient to make money on the London session. Okay, so y'all should aim to achieve 20 to 30% of your pips on that session, and you're obviously going to get bigger pips with bigger volume on New York. All right, but look at Nasty. All right, so if you guys are in, have tight risk management, have tight money management, you should be running by about 5 to 7 pips now. All right, let's see if they're gonna pop. Guys, don't be risking too much on this, okay? You'll see that dirty rejection that could happen here as well, okay? So if you haven't gotten on this, don't. And if you have, I hope it's not a very big contract size that you're in, okay? Goldie just died. Oh, yes. Let's go ahead and get the last rights done. And of course, DXY is pushing back up, but still in that healthy supply. The gold, however, is making lower lows. Solid bullish divergence coming in on gold, extremely strong. All right, let's take a look at the EMAs. So the 9 is all that's pushing gold down right now. Okay, so what I meant, right? You could have this sort of chop. The dirty is attempting. 30 seconds. Guys, I'm going to wait for this candle close and I'm going to get out, okay? Boom, look at that, the dirty. The dead, right? Dead market. All right, guys, listen, if y'all were on YouTube, y'all would see me yawning real bad right now, okay? I'm done for the day. I got done in the first 10 minutes of this session, to be honest. Right when I say that US 30 is pushing. We heard you too. I know, man. Okay, anyone trading the dirty? Anyone in on... Boom, look at that, look at that. Anyone in on dirty? Just that break is also a 15 pip move. If y'all are following the 10 pip rule, you guys have already made your profits over here, okay? Your 0.5%, your 1% should have already been accomplished on this beautiful setup. Now it doesn't matter if it's hit TP or not. Listen, we're scalping these markets, man. We want to be able to take our 10 pips and get out. All right, that's literally what we aim to do. And if you're able to do that even once a day, like I'm not even going to talk about twice a day, but even once a day, you're gonna experience financial freedom for the rest of your life. I kid you all not, okay? And that's how I'm gonna run this session off. Listen, man, I keep telling you guys, I'm gonna tell y'all again that we're building an army of millionaires, okay? I'm tired of saying this, but I say it with more passion each time I do. But trust me when I say this. In the next couple of months, you guys are gonna be hearing Forex trading everywhere. All right? So if you guys want to get on board, now's your time. All right? We offer this as a free service. We're live on YouTube. We're live on Zoom for our private members. And we're just doing this. We're pushing and we're creating a goddamn army of millionaires. Okay? And I just want to say one thing to you guys. If you crack this, as long as you have your phone with you, you're going to be left with a hefty paycheck for the rest of your life. I mean it. If I can do it, anyone can. My wife and I, we have spent the last 7 years in these markets to devise a technique that I promise you no one else is doing. All right? Screw those fancy indicators. Screw everything. All we need is price action. All we need are these candles, lines, and charts. All right, you guys. listen, this was an awesome session. I love sticking around for you guys. This session was about an hour and a half today. These long sessions are always fun. I hope you guys made your pips. Listen, all I'm asking from y'all is some Twitter posts. All right, go on to Twitter, tag Cram, Cash, and Project Whitelist, tag Millzone as well. And if you got any value from this, right, it doesn't matter if you made $1, doesn't matter if you made money on a paper trading account, doesn't matter if you made 1,000 or 10,000 like I just did. It really doesn't matter as long as you got some value out of the session. Go on and throw on a Twitter post for us, man. It would mean a lot to us. We've done zero marketing on our brand, on our company as of yet, and we're just doing everything organically till the time comes. And we have a lovely community here. All right, so we've been doing this for you guys. It's only fair that we ask y'all to give us a little bit of help at these early times, okay? But that's about it. Thank you guys so much. And listen, if y'all need to join for the one-on-ones, 6 week wait time, make sure to text Cash Effects, or if you can't find her, then text me, and we'll get you guys covered. Okay, so thank you guys. Have a great rest of the day, afternoon, evening, night, wherever it is, wherever you are. We're going to be back for London and New York tomorrow. London tomorrow is going to be the last one, most likely the last one for the week, and Cash is going to be back fresh on Monday. All right, so thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it all. I'm Cram, my partner's Cash and Millzone, and this is Forex Trading, my army of millionaires. Signing out. Also, watch out for the dirty, for nasty. Okay, whenever that comes, the ones that are still on the skull, 17 of y'all, 16 of y'all, watch out for that. Wait for that goddamn break. Trust me, 12,900, sexy whenever it happens. See you guys. Bye.